Hi people, my name is Victor Godfrey, and in today's video I want to share with you guys why you should become a Builderall affiliate today. Builderall is actually a viable tool that people are actually using to build their businesses, and the reason is this: it has all the tools that you actually need to achieve massive success online. And with Builderall, you also have the ability to build your own websites, also build funnels for your businesses. You can also design incredible images and videos while using the Builderall software tool. And you can also create professional business presentations. Apart from that, you can also create beautiful logos and social media graphics. And you can also run a smart email marketing automation as well. With the inbuilt SMS messaging app right inside Builderall, you can also send bulk text messages to many recipients and simultaneously. And with Builderall, you can also make unlimited animated videos and sales videos as well. And it also has an SEO report app built inside it that actually helps to rank your page on search engines by analyzing your page. And Builderall also has an inbuilt heat mapping tool that actually allows you to see the pages clicked by your visitors. It also goes to show you how visitors are actually navigating through your page when they visit. And Builderall also has an inbuilt CRM tool that enables you to manage your customer pipeline, log sales activities, and store contact details or contact data all in one particular place. And you can also see that this is a real deal, and truly it has all the tools you will ever need to actually achieve success online. So guys, let me show you guys the inside of this incredible business tool, and I'll also share with you the benefits of promoting Builderall as a software tool. So right now I'm right inside the back end of my Builderall software app. Just like I said to you guys earlier on, this is a business tool that has different apps or different tools for different business purposes, which is the main reason why lots of businesses are actually using it, because it solves a lot of business problems. And again, it's an all-in-one marketing tool with different apps, whereby you no longer need to have to subscribe to various service providers or for business tools for different business purposes. Take for instance, right inside this app here, you can actually do your email marketing automation, because it has an inbuilt mailing box platform that actually allows you to set up your emails and do your email marketing without the need for you now to start subscribing to platforms like GetResponse or Aweber or MailChimp for this same particular purpose. And again, it also saves you cost. Then it also has a particular platform here, just like I'm scrolling, the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. This is also another app that actually enables you to build websites, and it has pre-built website templates for different niches. It could be for dentists, chiropractors, or different types of businesses you can actually think of. It has pre-built website templates, and all you basically just need to do here would be to plug in your information, because you don't actually need to build a website. They're already pre-built. You just have to plug in your own personal information or the information of that of your client if you decide to start building a website for business owners. Then if you scroll down here too, it has a mockup studio where you can actually design incredible images, videos, and Facebook posts that actually grab viewers' attention. Then it also has a presentation studio that actually allows you to create professional business presentations without the need for any programming or design skills. Let me scroll down a bit here so you can also see other tools. Like here again, you can see I talked about the SEO page. It has a report app built in for SEO that actually helps in ranking your page and also analyze your page content, and it also looks out for your tags and images. And apart from that too, let me show you some other stuff that is not captured here. Okay, remember I talked about the SMS messaging app here, where you can actually send out a large number of messages to different recipients and at the same time. Then it also has the CRM that I talked about here, where you can actually manage your customers' log sales and their data as well. Then I want to quickly show you guys something that is not here. If I should go up a bit, if I should come to this app section, I'm going here. You can also see right here, it has an e-commerce section where you can actually, create a store for yourself and sell physical products or digital products, and also put in place your payment gateway. It could either be through PayPal or Stripe account or whatever gateway plan. You actually have the ability to create an e-commerce store here without you having the need to also pay for external platforms like Shopify and other stuff. Everything is right inbuilt right inside the Builderall app. Then you can also decide to create courses, and you wouldn't be needing to host your courses on platforms like Teachable or Coursera. But here you can actually do that here, build your courses, host your courses right inside the same platform, for the same purposes of e-learning and all this stuff. You can also build different kinds of app while you're using this tool. So there's a whole lot to talk about Builderall as a software and as a business tool, and why you actually need to start promoting this tool, because Builderall is a problem solver tool for businesses. And again, like I rightfully said, you don't need to subscribe to different platforms and start paying different subscription payments for different services, where you can actually do everything you need to do all in one particular platform. So having said this, then I also want to share with you guys the reason why I actually promote this product, why I became an affiliate, and why you also need to become an affiliate and start promoting this particular software product. So I'm sure you want to know, why am I promoting this all-in-one product, business product? Why am I promoting Builderall? One of the reasons is this: Builderall affiliate program is a proven solution for you to earn a solid and recurring income in a proven and growing niche. That's number one. Then secondly, I promote Builderall because it is a high demand product with an irresistible price. Just like I said earlier on, you don't need to subscribe to different platforms for different business purposes, like to do your email marketing, or to host your courses, or to sell physical or digital products online. And for you to do all that, you actually have to subscribe to different platforms for that purposes. But right now with Builderall as a software tool, business tool, you don't need to subscribe to all those places. You can actually do everything all in one inside Builderall. So that also saves you lots of costs. By the time you start calculating the amount you pay for your email automation, you pay for hosting your courses from different platforms, or the amount you pay, for building a store or hosting your products in a particular store. If you aggregate all those amounts, you'll see that it's really costing you so much to actually effectively run and automate your business online. But that is one of the problems Builderall have actually come to solve for me. It have actually saved me cost of running my business, because right now I do everything right inside this platform, and at a very ridiculous amount. That is why I say that the product is in high demand and it has an irresistible price offer. Then again, Builderall is also a massive internet marketing toolkit with thousands of users all over the world actually using this particular product. And no matter what the niche is, every business owner and entrepreneur are potential customers of Builderall. Then the best way to build a long-term sustainable business is to promote products and services that people need in order to survive. So that's another reason why I'm promoting this product, because it is a business problem solver. A lot of businesses actually need to use this product. A lot of businesses are actually running different kinds of automations for their businesses. So with this, it solves a problem. It provides, there's a need for it, Then again, Builderall is a business software product with a monthly subscription. And by promoting a subscription software like this, you're actually getting a lot more than the ability to earn a quick buck. You are actually getting the ability to start a real business, which is what Builderall affiliate opportunity allows you to do. It enables you to actually start building a real business for yourself. And you're also getting the power to sell your business back to the company when you feel like retiring someday. So by the time you have built your business with Builderall, You know, as an affiliate, and someday you feel like, okay, you're tired, you just want to retire. You have the ability to sell back this business you've built for years back to the company, you know. And you also securing the ability to earn financial freedom for your family each month. Remember, I said it is a subscription-based product. So how do you make money or secure get income on a monthly basis for your family? You're doing that because of the recurring commissions you'll be getting from the subscriptions of those that actually subscribe through this product using your affiliate link, or you as an affiliate, the people you actually brought in, the companies that are actually using these services through you, you know, will be paying their subscription on a monthly basis. And by so doing, you're also earning recurring commissions for each time they actually pay their subscription. So that is how it creates a financial freedom for you to have the ability to actually earn income for yourself and for your family on a monthly basis. And by promoting Builderall, you can also begin to, you know, build monthly recurring income for months and years to come. So imagine the numbers of people that actually subscribe through you, you know, start using this product, and then imagine the number of monthly commissions you actually, recurring monthly commissions you actually be getting for that single purpose of having a lot of people subscribe through you and are using this product, especially business owners. So it's something you really have to start thinking about right away. And the other fun side of Builderall is this: it has two affiliate systems where you are able to leverage the work of others to build a business that doesn't require your constant attention. So what does this two-tier affiliate system implies? It simply means you have subscribers, or as an affiliate, you're able to, you know, get other affiliates that subscribe through Builderall through you and also doing the business. So you actually earn directly from them, and you also earn from the first you also earn from those that are actually, you know, that subscribe through those that subscribe through you. But it only just goes a step further. After the first step, it doesn't go beyond that. Then, as an affiliate, every time you make a sale in Builderall, you earn 100% commission of your customer's first payment. So each time someone subscribes to use the product through your link, you're actually earning 100% of their subscription fee. Builderall actually pays you that 100% of it. Then, and every time your customer pay their Builderall monthly fees, you earn a 30% recurring commission. Remember, it is a subscription-based product. So once they subscribe the first time and pay for their subscription, you get 100%. Then every month they pay for their monthly subscription, you're actually earning 30% of it, and that becomes a recurring commission for you. And every time your second tier customers pay their Builderall monthly fees, you also earn another 30% recurring income or recurring commission thereabout. So I just want to let you know that this is not an MLM or a pyramid scheme, but it is a real business. It's real. I can actually attest to that. So let me quickly show you guys what Builderall affiliate page looks like. So this is what the back page, Builderall affiliate page looks like. If you join the network of Builderall affiliates, once you join, this is what the page looks like. This is the affiliate page. Then I'm trying to scroll down so you can see here it says our livery affiliate program is more than a business in a box. It is a proven solution for you to earn a solid and recurring income in a proven and growing niche by promoting a high demand product at an irresistible price. So remember I told you that this is a product that has a high demand and the price is highly irresistible. Then it's also a best-selling product in the market at the moment, and you also earn a stable monthly recurring income. You also have a high customer retention rate. I have lots of customers that have signed up for over a year now that are still with Builderall, you know, still paying their subscription fee, still making me money. And why is it so? Simply because there's so much value they derive from the product, and it actually enables them to run their businesses effectively. And apart from that, it also saves them cost. So you can see these are real people that are already, you know, building their businesses right inside Builderall. These are real people that are really making a lot of money through this program. Then This place talks about what the leverage affiliate program is all about and how it works. So by the time you actually, become a Builderall affiliate, you will have access to this page. You're able to go through all this. I'm just trying to show you guys how it looks like, what the back page. So remember, I also told you guys, these are some vital extracts, some key points about what the product is all about. Remember, I told you it is a perfect product. It has a recurring monthly income. Then the demand is also high. The offer is perfectly irresistible. The niche is an eternal one because everybody actually needs, to run their business online, and you need tools that actually enables you to, effectively do so. And Builderall fits all that. Then you're also able to build sales funnels for your businesses. So there's so much more, there's so much benefit derived from promoting this particular product. Then this is the commission aspect I talked about, where it says that you actually earn 100% commission from your own personal sales. Then you also earn 30% recurring commissions from your personal sales, and also earn another 30% from your second tier recurring commissions. So this is actually something you really have to look into and jump in right away and, start earning from the comfort of your home, just like I'm doing right away. And apart from that, I also want to show something here. Okay, this is what I really want to show you guys. It says it's not just about becoming an affiliate. It's about building a solid and lasting business. So you really have to start saying this as a solid business that you really have to grow, nurture, and actually it lasts forever. It's something you can actually transfer. It is something that you can actually sell, back to the organization at a later point in time if you so decide to do so. So guys, I just want you guys to know that it is actually on my own best interest to show you all the things you need to know in order to succeed, because not only do you make money, but it also makes me money if using the leverage program that Builderall actually offers, and again through the second tier affiliate program. So once I'm able to show you guys what to do to start making money, and you start making money, then I too will also be making money. So basically it is on my own interest to show you everything I know on how I've actually been able to generate income from this, so that you can also replicate the same thing and also start making money as well. Then once you sign up through the link below and become a Builderall affiliate, you will actually get some follow-up trainings from me that will show you how to promote this product effectively and actually start making money just like I am as well. And also, if you upgrade to a paid account, then you actually have access to an exclusive private area where you have tons of invaluable resources that will enable you to build or to achieve results faster. That's if you actually upgrade to a paid account. And you also have access to a community of Builderall affiliates that are ever ready to assist you any time of the day. So once again, there will be a link below this video, for you to sign up and become an affiliate. And it is free to become a Builderall affiliate. Just have to let you know it is free. You don't pay anything to become an affiliate. And once you sign up, be rest assured that you actually get tons of trainings coming your way on how to make money with Builderall, and that will be from me. And again, once you upgrade to a paid account, then you will have the access to an exclusive private area where you have tons of invaluable resources at your fingertip to achieve results fast. So guys, thank you so much for actually watching. And with this, we've come to the end of the video. And if you've learned something new from this video and got some value out of it, please kindly, like it and make sure to subscribe. And once again, thank you so much for your attention and for your time as well. And hopefully see you on the next video as well.